Hi everyone, and today's next spirit animal is the deer, the beautiful animal, the deer. So, the deer symbolises being gentle to yourself, having no fear, overcoming your fear, the obstacles that you overcome in your life, remembering how important that is. Also, it is a symbol of peace and seeing the light in every situation, not bringing the dark in, bringing a little bit of light into your life. This kind of gentleness and love and innocence that the deer can only bring when truly make new doors open for you. You can find your resolutions and achieve your goals with grace and gentleness. You can be strong and brave when the need is arise. The deer spirit animal holds natural beauty, so being kind to yourself. How can you bring beauty into your heart and your soul? When you have the deer meaning in your life, it just means that you are completely in tune with yourself, your inner child, finding your true soul and destiny. So, finding the right path to suit you, your true needs and wants in your life. Your path is well marked. Use these senses and trust your gut, so your eyes, your ears, every senses, your spiritual senses, and start to clear the mind. Find peace in yourself. Use of meditation. Help it to focus and sense and see things clearly, bringing clarity to your mind. The deer is a reminder of having no fear and believing in yourself. The deer spirit animal is constantly on the move through the forest, meaning taking a look at your own life, how hectic it is, bringing quietness into your life. Enjoy the walks through nature, finding a sense of stillness in your mind. Be on the lookout for the next great opportunity, those doors opening up. Use this opportunity to change the old ways and switch them with new ones, finding the patience that things will work out for you. If you have the deer as your spirit animal, you are very sensitive and highly intuitive. So call upon the deer spirit animal when you need guidance to look at new people and be in new surroundings. You need to rely on your new instincts and see the good in people when you're not with people, and see the good in yourself, taking the time to be alone and enjoying the peace around you. And the crystals that we use is turquoise for protection for yourself and others, for when travelling as well. And rose quartz, a beautiful crystal for comfort, love, and of course calcite to help with fears, to help you overcome any obstacles and fears. And then of course, and we do have a big rough piece of jasper here, and jasper is very good for grounding the feelings and sense of Mother Earth's through the beauty, the sense of nature. So everyone, today's spirit animal was a deer. The true sense of the pathfinder, finding your right path, finding your own way through your life. So trusting your instincts to guide you through any situation. So thank you everyone for joining me today with the deer. And stay tuned for more videos. Coming up next is another spirit animal. Thank you. Goodbye.